Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the RAM, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2017 Ram 1500. So right now the problem is with the window. So right now I have the key on, and I try to press the window down, up, nothing worked. On the passenger side, nothing worked. Down, up, nothing worked at all. Even on the mirror, press it on the left, nothing worked. On the mirror on the right side, same thing, nothing worked. The lock and unlock button doesn't work at all. You can see I'm pressing it and nothing working. But the passenger side, if I go to the passenger side, I roll it down, it works on the passenger side. And the lock unlock button works. You can see I'm pressing it and it locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked. So the passenger side is good and the right side is not working. So I'm gonna show you what the problem is. I'm gonna use my flathead right here. I'm gonna pry up the window switch. I'm gonna press on the connector, pull, there you go. That's how you take them out. Now before you check the master window switch, this one's a 2-door, so it's only the 2 in the front. So before you check the master window switch, I'm gonna show you the location of the fuse box and then where you check for the fuse for the master switch. Now for the fuse box, the fuse box is located on the left side of the engine compartment, where the battery is. Now you're gonna look for the fuse 2430 amps. This is on the driver's side of the door module, and the circuit breaker number 1 25 amps. And then the passenger side, it's gonna be fuse 2030 amps. For the power coming down, if you don't get power coming down to the connector, you would check the fuse. But in this case, I already checked the fuse. It's good because there's power coming down to the connector and power and ground. For the connector, you're gonna check the pin in here, make sure it's not damaged or corroded. Check the wires in the back here, make sure it's not damaged or broken. It looks good for this one. I'm gonna check for power and ground. So right now I'm gonna check for at least, so if you don't have the wiring diagram, you're gonna look for power and the ground, and that's all you need. So right now I'm gonna check the yellow and violet wire. This one should be power. So right now I'm touching it. You can see it says power. I have 12 volt. Now I'm gonna check for my ground, which is the next wire over. So the yellow wire, the yellow and violet wire is the power. Now the middle wire, I'm gonna check the middle wire, which is the gray and yellow. This should be ground on my diagram. So that's ground right there. You can see it says ground. And then the other one's just a signal, so I don't have to check that one. That's good. We have power and ground coming down, but the switch doesn't work at all. When you press the switch, there should be some kind of signal on the ground wire, but it doesn't sense it at all. I'm gonna show you. Now this is my original one. If you guys want the part number, I think the parts number is on this side right here. This is original from Mopar. So I'm gonna show you when I put it on the ground side. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, so I'm gonna put it on the ground side. When I press the switch, it should give me some kind of signal. So right now I'm on the ground wire, and when I press either up or down, it doesn't send power at all. So I'm pressing it right now and nothing, no signal at all. Now look at, I'm pressing it, nothing at all. So I'm gonna show you the good one. So this is my new one. I bought this one from AutoZone. This is the part number. This one's gonna cost you around $120 before tax. Now if you want the original one, it's gonna cost you around $250 before tax. So I'm gonna show you the difference between the bad one and the new one. So I'm gonna put it into the ground side. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. I have my new one back probe, the new one where the ground wire is. So when I press either up or down, it should send me a signal. It should stop. There you go. So I'm pressing the window up. You can see the window is going up. I'm gonna press it down. You can see the new one is working. Now when I press it up, it's gonna send a signal. There you go. And the window is going up. You can see the new one's working perfectly. Now notice that when I press left mirror, the thing, the light lights up. Press the right side, it lights up right away. Press on the left. Now I'm gonna turn the mirror. You can see I'm turning the mirror. Works perfectly. And then I'm gonna roll down the window. I'm gonna roll down the window on the passenger side. Roll up. I'm gonna roll up. Oh, gotta press it harder. And then I'm gonna press the mirror on the right side. Mirror on the right side. I'm gonna turn the mirror. You can see the mirror is turning. Fully turning left and right. Go up. Press down, turning down. Press up, turning up. There you go. Just an easy diag. I'm gonna show you the door lock. When I press the lock should lock. There you go. I'm gonna press unlocked. It unlocked. Just a very simple diag. There you go. That's it. Now all you gotta do is just put it back. Come on. There you go. I'm gonna check it one more time. Close the door. Roll it all the way down. Roll it all the way up. Same thing. Everything's working. That's it. Mirror works. Everything works. So that is it for this video, guys. Just a quick diag on the master window switch. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But don't mind, I'm out. Peace.